Hi everybody, it's Friday, it's Saint Nicholas or Sinterklaas in the Netherlands, and you get those nice chocolate letters on your table. And today, in the spirit of presents, we're going to talk about how you can create a locator to locate your parcels. So the locator is on your Map tab, in the Locate tab. Once you press it, the Locate pane will open. Then you can press on this Option button. And you can see I already have XY provider. I also have ArcGIS World Geocoding Service. And there's provider settings. If we press on that, we can add another locate using a layer. So I'm going to press this button and I'm going to go to my subdivision layer, which is the simultaneous conveyance, which is also open down here, and press OK. And you can see here there's a name field that has the subdivision name. So what we want to do is here, I'm not going to search by those parameters at all, but another global ID. But on the name field, we want to change it to contains. So if I have a part of the string of the subdivision name, it will show that result. There's many fields here. I'm just going to make sure they're all blank because I just want to search on that field. And once we configure that, we can go back and let's give it a test. So we can see here there's a subdivision called ballpark. So I'm just going to type ballpark here, lower caps, and press enter. And we can see there's a simultaneous, there's actually many of them, and I can choose the one I want. So that's one subdivision. You can see there's also others here, so you can zoom to them. Can we do the same for the tax parcels? Of course we can. You can have multiple of locators, so we'll providers. So here's one. We'll copy that value here on the tax parcels. And now let's go again to configure that, provider settings, add another one, choose the tax parcels, okay. And now we are going to remove those and make that one to switch the name into contains. You can search on multiple fields if that makes sense for you. And now we can go back, and let's put that parcel number in and see what it comes up with. And it only found one, and it immediately zoomed to it. So it's this big parcel here. You can also right click and zoom to, flash, and so on from the locate pane. Where does this get saved? With a project. So as soon as you press save project, it's saved there. And you can provide these projects to others and they can all use the locate pane to locate their parcels. I hope this was meaningful, productive. Hope you use it. Of course, you know that you can also use the manage records to find records and zoom to them, but that's another way to zoom to any layer in your data. Thank you and have a good weekend if it's Friday for you, of course. Bye bye.